Alright, I am excited for this. 2 outlet wall adapters. So usually in my shop I will run the planer or sander and my dust collection. However, I don't have dust collection that just automatically turns on and off. So this is going to take care of that situation. So I've seen online where you can buy the ones that turn on and off automatically. And they're like 80 bucks. So this set is actually more affordable. It is only like 20 bucks. This isn't very expensive. It's the commercial electric. This is from Home Depot. They did send this to me for free. I did not have to pay for this. But I'm gonna let you know what I think of it. So my plan is, so this unit comes with 2. Usually they come with 1. So this one's exciting, it comes with 2. And then on the remote you have on 1, on 2, off 1, off 2, and on and off all. So I also like to run a fan because it gets hot. I get disgusting. So my plan is and this has 2 setups too in each, or 2 outlets in each remote here. So I'm gonna hook one to my fan so I can turn it on and off. And I'm gonna hook one to my dust collection so I can turn that on and off on demand. We'll see how it works. Now I got a remote fan. How awesome is that? Alright, let's try this with dust collection. There we go. Fan on. Dust collection. Why? You have to wire anything, you just plug it in and it goes. Alright, so now this dust collection is only 1 horsepower. I believe that this can only run 2 plugs, 1 remote, 1 battery, 1 installation manual. I think I am pushing this one switch to the limit maybe with the dust collection. I hear that everything kind of fall back. I know it is only a 15 amp switch. Let's see what the rating is. 120 volts AC, 15 amps. Battery range up to 80 feet away. That is awesome because my shop is only a 2-car garage. I've never been more than 80 feet away. Mounting the receiver. Oh, you could mount this to the wall. That's convenient. Pairing using the remote control, troubleshooting. I thought I saw somewhere online where it said how much of a horsepower the motor, how many horsepower of a motor this could hold. But I'm not seeing it here. And really, how many people read this, right? But I'll look up all the information before I post the video, but right now, oh man, I'll turn that one back on. So, if you're looking for something that's inexpensive, essentially too, you could hook up this to any tool, bandsaw, lights in your shop, whatever you want. You could hook this up and then remotely control it. So I hope you guys like it. Like I said, I did get this product for free, so I will post some updates on here, you know, a couple weeks in after using it for a few projects and let you know what I really think. But my initial thoughts are this is going to be an awesome addition. So until next time, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any experience with any of these types of switches. I hate to say the cliche of this is going to be a game changer. I think this is going to be very helpful in my shop, being able to just keep this in my pocket, turn on the fan, turn on the dust collection, maybe turn on an auxiliary light, something like that. This is going to give me a lot of control, so I'm not pacing back and forth. But let me know your thoughts, and if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, I really do appreciate it. And one more thing you can do that I would really appreciate is if you subscribe. Like 90% of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed, so I'm trying to get those numbers up. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, and then it just snowballs after that. So thanks for watching.